In this question, we have to find the value of angle QEST. Given is angle SPT is equal to 80 degree, and another important point is given is line SQ parallel to PT. Okay. Now I can say angle QEST will be equal to angle STP. Okay. Now as you can see, it's forming alternate angle. So angle QEST is equal to angle STP alternate angle. Another important theorem is tangents drawn from exterior point is equal. So I can say ESP is equal to PT. Okay, so triangle SPT, STP or SPT. Wait a minute. SPT is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, two sides angle are equal. So let's say it's angle x, so it will be also angle x. Okay. So 80 plus 2x is equal to 180 degree sum of all angle triangle. So value of x will be 50 degree. As we know that if this is x, so it will be also x. So option D is the right answer.